Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with us. I normally say, I said, hey, wonders they say shall never end. See, a lot is going on, a lot is happening right now. Unbelievable believe. Hey, finally, Nigerians, they are tired of eating agbado, they are tired of eating cassava, they are tired of Papa Blue, they are tired of the one and only president Abba. Just how many months? Oh my goodness, not even up to a year. Oh, it's already a year now. Oh, hey, February 24th is going to be 1 year since they put President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and the result for 1 year is unbelievable. Please, I don't really want to talk too much. I want you to just listen because it's like Nigerians, they are tired of the hardship. Hey, when they tell them, they say they no go here. Just recently now, everybody, they carry a cross, they carry a kaya, they run up and down for inside street. But you know what? Tinubu must complete his 8 years, honestly. Tinubu, I have not seen anything wrong that Tinubu has done that is making these people not to be flooding the streets. Especially for Lagos State, Ibadan, Oyo State. In fact, look at what they are doing. And they released the latest song for Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Let us listen to it. Anyways, hey, my people, I better listen to them. They are crying for help. And I'll be right back.
Ole! 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 Ole!
Let them come from right to hear their opinions. And they cannot say because we are hard today, we must not allow every other Nigerian to exercise their constitutional duty. Section 34, 39 and 40 empowers every Nigerian to organize a peaceful assembly and to speak about the economic hardship. On this note, this is not today's own. We are starting, this is just a start. It's a continuous action. Expect protest from any angle. It must not be me. It can be you. It is everybody, because the problem does not only affect only me, neither it affects everyone. So on this note, every Nigerian, whether up and abroad, anywhere you find yourself, if you have the capacity, organize, we will be there for you. If anybody stop you, we will come for your rescue. It is a duty which we are signing for, and we must collectively fight for our liberation. Enough of this hike in our cost of living. No, we cannot afford to eat. It is are selling 1 cup of Gree, 1,200. I'm only about to buy 2,000. I don't sorrow any story. This is not democracy, not democracy. This is not the open road. This is JK. This is equality to normal for now. We can't be promise them people are on a lane. Ebi para ìlú. And subsidize oúnjẹ. Tẹ́ bá lè ṣe kọ́mí fún wa, eléyìí tí wà ókè. Ṣèpínì.
Ababio is a thief. Tinubu is a thief. All his cabinet are thieves. All of them are thieves. Tinubu is a thief. All of them are thieves.
Àsìkò yìí ó ní wá lára o. Tinubu do something. We Nigeria, we are dying. We are the future of tomorrow. See how you do our life. We cannot afford to buy anything. To drink garri is a problem. To eat rice is a problem. And you don't want us to feed. What do you want us to do? Mr. President, please do something. People are dying.
Everybody form a big circle here. A big circle. A big circle.
Yeah, I want to form a big circle. Can you start here? Am I join? Can start here? Come on, join. I form big circle, Joe.
A big circle. Hold yourself. Form a big circle. Come down, everybody. Form a big circle.
Ẹ̀yin ẹ̀ sọ́wọ́ pọ̀ ẹ̀ sọ́wọ́ yín papọ̀ ẹ jẹ́ kẹ́rì bọ̀dì sọ́wọ́ papọ̀ ní bí náà tẹ́ ẹ̀ǹdẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ kẹ́rì bọ̀dì join wọ́ papọ̀ ẹ ṣo big tap ní ẹ jẹ́ kẹ́jọ sọ́wọ́ wa papọ̀ ibi náà tẹ́ ẹ̀ǹdẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ join wọ́ ẹjọ́. ẹjọ́ bá fọ́ọ̀mù big circle ẹjọ́ ẹ̀yin táwọn èèyàn sáté táwọn èèyàn bá sáté àwọn èèyàn ní sọ́wọ́ papọ̀. ẹjọ́ bá join wọ́n pẹ̀lú wọn fọ́ọ̀mù ní big circle ní ti join yẹn ní ẹ̀ bá fọ́ọ̀mù wọn ẹjọ́ ẹwọ ẹjọ́ bá join wọ́n yín papọ̀ tẹ́ bá wà pẹ̀lú wa ẹ bá join wọ́n papọ̀ mọ́ ẹjọ́ bí ayé with us ẹ join wọ́n yín papọ̀ ẹ join wọ́n papọ̀.
Yeah. I don't want you to attack anybody. Don't attack anybody. We must be orderly. A gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe bí àwọn olórí burúkú ìjọba yẹn. A gbọ́dọ̀ wà. Ẹ dúró síbi tí yẹ wà. Onímọ̀rú. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ bàrà. Bàrà ni àrẹ jẹjẹ. I don't like to agree.
Báàgì oúnjẹ wá lójú oorun àrùn jẹjẹ mẹ́rin. No, ẹ rẹ́ǹdì ẹ̀ ọ̀pọ̀ ẹ̀ hàn jù ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n jẹ́. Live at bus stop gate ni a wà báyìí, so ibi náà ni a ti máa ṣe ètò náà sí àsọ̀rọ̀ tí yóò fi di ọ̀la. Ìyà yìí tó Jésù kò bá wa lára mu. Ìyà yìí tó gbẹ̀ngà kò bá wa lára mu. Ìyà yìí tó Nàìjíríà kò bá wa lára mu. Ìlérí rẹ̀ gbàgbọ́. Ó ti yára gbàgbé owó. Ìlérí rẹ̀ gbàgbọ́. Àṣebí ti lọ́gbọ́n orí rẹ̀. Ìwọ tí a pè kó fọ́n. Àṣebí ti lọ́gbọ́n orí rẹ̀. Ìwọ tí a rò kó fọ́n. Ó ti yára gbàgbé o. Ìlérí rẹ̀ gbàgbọ́.
Ọba tó pàṣẹ ní Yabasa láìlọ́gbọ́n.
Abigede for your people. Abikule ti Ibadan people. Ibadan kini show. Ibadan. Èló ni ìrẹsì. Èló lè wà. Èló ni fẹ̀yìn jà. Ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ gbogbo ọmọ tí lọ́lẹ̀ kàgbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Ṣẹ́rí bí àwọn ìṣeré ìṣiṣẹ́ níbi yìí fi ní ìṣọba kan gbé jáde pé ní Latvia Nàìjíríà ló produce iṣu tó pọ̀ jù nínú ọkọ̀ àgbáyé. Wọ́n fi kó gbogbo epo ẹ̀rọ ó ṣe lọ sí òkè òkun. Ìdí ẹ̀ ni pé àwọn Tinubu wọ́n ṣe náírà devaluation. Àwọn Tinubu wọ́n ṣe náírà devaluation. Wọ́n jẹ́ owó wa kúrú. Wọ́n yọ subsidy lórí epo. Wọ́n yọ subsidy lórí oúnjẹ. Wọ́n yọ subsidy lórí education. Wọ́n yọ subsidy lórí healthcare. Ìnáwó Adélábí kọjọ́ bá wọn lọ́yọ̀. Wọ́n ti yọ subsidy lórí iná. Òfin àti iná. Kò sọ̀rọ̀ púpọ̀ jù. Gbogbo wa ní tọ́ba ti di àárọ̀ la. Aago méje níbí yìí láàárọ̀ la. Kótó di aago méje, a gbọ́dọ̀ pé 10,000 bí ìlà o. Gbogbo èèyàn tó wà ní ọjà yìí láàárọ̀ la kó tó di aago méje a gbọ́dọ̀ pé mi láàárọ̀ la. Sẹ́rí ẹ̀yà ọ̀gẹ́ tí èyí ò bá pé 10,000 ní ìlọ́la ní Mọ́kọ́lá wọ́n pé 1 million ní sábò kan. Sọ́ńkọ́ àwọn ará Sọ́ńkọ́ wọ́n ti send message wa wọ́n ní pé náà ní less than 500,000 by 7 a.m. Kí o kí gbogbo wa kàmúra wa ní ìsọ̀rí. Ṣùgbọ́n mi ò gbọdọ̀ gbọ́ pé ìjà ṣẹlẹ̀ ní gèèjì lọ́la. Mi ò gbọdọ̀ gbọ́ pé anybody jí nǹkan kan. Wọ́n jẹ́ omi ní orí ẹ̀jẹ̀ kájọ mú. Wọ́n jẹ́ gàdí lálẹ́ wa ẹ̀jẹ̀ kájọ wá. Kí gbogbo wa ká wà together. Ká sọ̀rọ̀. Ká sọ̀rọ̀ tómi tó rọ̀. Ṣé mo wí ilé ọdún mi ò wí? Ẹ̀yin màmá ẹ má fojú wa sí òun ayá o. Ẹ má fojú wa sóhun ayá o. Ọ̀la ẹgbẹ́ kan máa dí éèdì pa. Ìwọ́rò tí wọ́n máa ti pa. Ọ̀pọ̀lá wa ti pa.
Once again, Quick Media will bring the work closer to your doorstep. The end of the protest has been ended here. And tomorrow, the protest will continue. And everybody should start from each area of themselves. They should move from their location, different location, to anywhere. But the meeting point is here in Gate tomorrow. But if you are coming from Iwo Road, come with your people. If you are coming from Sango, come with your people. Let everybody meet here. This place will be the meeting point. And the people of Gate to please support this peaceful protest. It's not bloody. It's a peaceful one. No need of fighting, no need of...
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye-bye.